Craftsman chainsaw built by Poulan, repaired for a buddy of mine. His complaint was that it would only run for a minute or so, and then he could not get it to restart. So, that was last year. I checked it out. I couldn't find really anything wrong. So, I kind of put it on the back burner. And the other day I decided to take another look at it. So, kind of had some different ideas to try. And one of the things I wanted to try is the tank vent working properly. So, drained the tank, and I was getting ready to do the vacuum check on the tank vent, and I'm like, something looks funny here. So, found that the tank vent was plumbed to the impulse nipple on the carb, and that there was no impulse hose. How it even ran, I don't know. So, I ended up replacing the duckbill valve style tank vent with an echo tank vent. Installed a new impulse hose, and now it runs great.